I'm Engine Cadet Quezon.
I'm Engine Cadet Lamag.
I'm Engine Cadet Velocis.
I'm Engine Cadet Lara.
I'm Engine Cadet Kataring.
And we are the Low Budget Technology.
Introduction of physics. What is physics? Physics is a branch of science that deals with the structure of matter and how the fundamental constituents of the universe interact. It studies objects ranging from a very small using quantum mechanics to the entire universe using general relativity. Physics is a basic physical science. Until rather recent times, physics and natural philosophy were used interchangeably for the science whose aim is the discovery and formulation of the fundamental laws of nature. The ultimate aim of physics is to find a unified set of laws governing matter, motion, and energy. What are the scope of physics? The scope of physics are mechanics, study of gravitation, study of the heat, thermodynamics, statistical mechanics, study of electricity and magnetism, optics, atomics, chemical physics, and so many more.
What is vector analysis?
Vector analysis?
Yes, vector analysis find application in the various fields including physics, engineering, computer science, and more. It helps in describing and analyzing physical quantities, solving equation, modeling system, and understanding the behavior of vectors and vector field in different contexts.
What is kinematics? So, kinematics is a branch of physics that deals with motion of an object that causes motion. Kinematic involves studying concepts such as possession, velocity, acceleration, and time. For example, when you're shooting a ball, you can analyze its motion using kinematics principle. And also, you can determine the initial velocity of the ball, calculate its trajectory, and predict its landing position. By applying kinematic equation, you can understand and describe the motion of the ball during the shooting process.
Work, energy, and power. Work in physics is defined as the transfer of energy to an object, causing it to move to the direction of the force. For example, if I move this, if I apply the force in here and it is not moving, so it means there is no work done. And the next one is energy. Energy is the ability to do work. It causes a change. It exists in various forms. Power. Power is the rate at which work is done or transferred. It measures how quickly work is done or energy transferred from one to another.
Force and motion. So what is force? Push or pull is vital for any object's motion or change of position. What is motion? Motion is the change of position of an object over the time. These principles underpin everyday activities from walking to driving and are crucial in technologies like transportation and machineries. Force and motion forms the basis for innovation in engineering and physics, shaping our understanding of natural laws governing our environment.
Thank you for watching!
Objects. Physics, engineering, computer science, pistol in position.